Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share live location from WhatsApp. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the WhatsApp app. Once you're in WhatsApp, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, head over to any conversation where you want to share the live location. So you can open up any chats. Once you're in the chat space, in the bottom right corner of your screen, you can see this link option. Tap on it. Now here you can see location option. Tap on it. From here you can send your location to this chat. Now in order to share your live location, here you can see share live location option. Tap on it. In order to share live location, you must be connected to the internet throughout the time. Over here you can see different time frames. From here, you will be able to share live location for certain times, like for 15 minutes, 1 hour, or 8 hours. So you can choose this accordingly. After you select these time frames, you will be sharing your live location only for this limited times. So for now, I'll select 15 minutes. So after that, you can tap on this send button. And there you go. You have successfully shared live location from WhatsApp. If you want to stop sharing live location, you can tap on stop sharing. Otherwise, it will be shared for the time frame that you have chosen. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.